Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Nash County, east central Franklin County, until 3 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Bunn, or near Lewisburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Nash and east central Franklin counties, including the following locations: Castalia. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for this area. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Franklin, and Nash. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Chatham, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Hall River near Bynum. From this evening to Saturday evening, or until the warning is canceled, the river widens up to 800 feet across, but flooding remains confined to extensive stretches of woods and pasture along the river. Major flood stages at 17.0 feet. Tornado watch number 30 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Moore County, north central Scotland County, Anson County, Montgomery County, Richmond County, southeastern Stanley County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Marshville, or 9 miles northwest of Wadesboro, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Wadesboro, Troy, Biscoe, Ansonville, Hoffman, Sturtevant, Polkton, Norwood, and Pine Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for central North Carolina. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 7 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, Moore, Richmond, Scotland, and Stanley. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Lee. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Deep River at Moncure. From this evening to late Saturday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:45 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 3.7 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 12.6 feet by tomorrow early afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday afternoon. Impact, at 9.0 feet, flooding is likely upstream of the gauge site along North Plank Road just south of Highway 421 in Lee County, and on R. Jordan Road north of Highway 421 in Chatham County. At 14.0 feet, upstream of the gauge site, North Plank Road in Lee County and R. Jordan Road in Chatham County are closed. transmitted from an antenna located on the UNC.
There we go. So wait for that.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Moore County, Anson County, Montgomery County, Richmond County, Stanley County, Lee County until 7 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen since last night, with an additional 1 to 2 inches possible through this evening. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sanford, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Wadesboro, Troy, Carthage, Maiden Lake, Pinehurst, and Hamlet. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Richmond, and Stanley. This is no moderate flooding is forecast.
Tornado warning.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise to near 24.5 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow late evening. Impact at 23 feet. Flooding reaches the base of the water treatment plant building. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Chatham, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Hall River.
Flash flood warning is issued for Wake County till 7:30
At 1:45 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 5.
Oh, here we go. Yep. 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 My other thing delayed.
At 4:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Zebulon, RDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, and Morrisville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county, Wake, North Carolina.